Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo AIP. Today we are going to see how to pick up calls. As we know, pickup calls is when someone dials externally or internally to a telephone B and the person at telephone B is not available. I can intercept or divert that call from another phone simply by using a code. Here we will see how this process is done. We are going to dial extension 1001 to 1002. The process would be the same for an external call as it is for an internal call. We are going to catch the call on 1003, simulating that there is no one to answer the call at 1002. First, we are going to check the function codes, which we can find in Basic Settings, Future Codes, and we are going to go to the Future Codes tab. Here we will see the option to catch a call. We can do this in two ways. First, we will see how to use *8. We also have ***, which are enabled by default. To use *8, we must have a pickup group, which we can find here in Advanced Call Features. We will proceed to create a pickup group. We will do this from the Advanced Call Features tab, Pickup Groups. Here, we just need to create a group, give it a name, move all the extensions to the right side, save, and apply changes. Once the group is created, we proceed to dial from extension 1001 to 1002 and catch the call with *8 on 1003. We start the call, and it will ring there. But since the person at 1002 is not available, we proceed to dial *8 from 1003 and it automatically captures that call, and then we would have a conversation between 1001 and 1003. For the second pickup call, which is the targeted catch, we see that it is marked with an ***. First, we must go to the phone from which we are going to pick up the call. In this case it would be from 1003, and we are going to add a dialing plan because if we dial ***, and the extension number, it will indicate that the dialing plan is incorrect since the *** dialing is not registered on the phone. So we just go to the phone, to the accounts section, go to the dial plan option, and add a dialing plan. We enter ***X plus, because that is what it asks us for. The X is just numbers from 0 to 9 and the plus means that there is no limitation. We click on Add and Save. Now we just need to test it. We will dial from 1001 to 1002, and since 1002 would not be in place, we dial ***, and extension 1002. We start the call, and it will ring. We proceed to dial ***, extension 1002, and the call will be picked up using the code *** plus the extension where it rings. That's all for the video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.